Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Bobby here. Today I'm going to be doing a review on Commission Hero by Robby Blanchard. You'll probably come across Robby in YouTube ads. He's everywhere, he's blown up, he's doing very well for himself. Robby is ClickBank's #1 world affiliate. So he's #1 in the world with ClickBank for affiliate marketing. After many years of success, Robby's decided to put together a course to teach beginner to intermediate affiliate marketers how to be successful just like he has. So if you've ever wondered what Commission Hero has to offer, let's check it out. Okay, so my internet system is being a bit ridiculous today, so I had to make some notes on Notepad. So as I like my reviews to be a little bit more in-depth, I'll try not to make this video too long, but we'll just run through the content. So inside this video, we'll look at the training, what exactly does this course teach you, materials and tools provided, the support given, extras, the bonuses, the price, the upsells, and my final verdict. So inside the training, you have getting started, Facebook setup, tracking and scaling, resources and tools, additional training, 6 weeks to success, workshop, inner circle coaching, which is the upsell, optional of course, the image pack, which is also optional and upsell, 1,000K done for you campaign, another upsell, and another upsell is live event recordings, where Bobby does recordings of live events and you're able to get access to that. So going through the different tutorials, inside getting started, we have welcome, what is affiliate marketing, ad accounts, ClickFunnels, ClickBank Setup, and MaxWeb. That's another affiliate network platform. Then we have choosing the right offer, finding the right offer on ClickBank, finding the right offer on MaxBounty, just basically how to find the right offers to promote. Then you have finding your ad image, what an ad image should contain, finding the right designer on Fiverr. Moving on to setting up your landing page, register for ClickFunnels. You don't have to use ClickFunnels, but it's quite easy, and they are cheaper other landing page builders, so you're not stuck to using ClickFunnels, but he will show you how to register for ClickFunnels. Setting up your affiliate links, setting up your domain, setting up your PHP landing page for those not using ClickFunnels. Then inside the Facebook setup tutorials, you have tutorials on setting up your business manager, launching your first campaign, setting up your fan page, setting up your Facebook campaign and ad sets, setting up your ads, creating a custom audience and a bonus, an inside look at a successful campaign. Robby will also teach you how to use the Facebook pixel. So in the setting up of the Facebook pixel, we'll look at how to install the pixel, placing your Facebook pixel in your ClickBank account, understanding your pixel analytics. That's very important so that you know what's working and what isn't, and therefore the campaigns to scale up. The next tutorials are on tracking and scaling. So there's a tracking spreadsheet which you can actually download. So you look at how to install tracking links and using tracking IDs to scaling your campaign. Under resources and tools, we have $1 million landing page swipes in ClickFunnels, $1 million landing page swipes for PHP, $1 million ad copy and ad images, mindsets, the images that work, CPA, cost per action, his contacts, setting up your business properly, how to structure your business. The reason why I'm giving you all these modules, reading out all these modules, is so that you can actually see what's inside the course. Like I say, always like to give a more in-depth review. So, you see what's inside the course, and I think you can make a better informed choice if it's something that's for you. So I'll just continue with the other modules and tutorials inside. I'll quickly go through them. So there's additional training, there's ninja tactics, reaching out to affiliates, American Express cards, spying on Facebook ads to see which ones are working, dealing with account shutdowns, which does unfortunately happen, how to appeal an account shutdown. There's a Snapchat training section, video training on Snapchat, email marketing training. So Robby really didn't focus too much himself in his business on email marketing, but a lot of students had asked for training on that. So he's added some additional training. And these cover setting up Aweber, which is an autoresponder, integrating that with ClickFunnels, setting up your campaigns, expert training with Luke. Okay, next tutorials are 6 weeks to success, where you have an over-the-shoulder look with Robby, as these are long, detailed videos, 1 to 2 hours long, where you watch over his shoulder, where he goes from choosing offers to setting up the fan page, to tracking, to creating your Facebook ads. So these are very in-depth tutorials, these ones, 6 weeks to success. Then there's a workshop, more training. As you can see, there's loads of training in there. So inside the private Facebook area, there's even more training in there, and there's lots of interaction. This Facebook group is very active, very supportive of each other. Every day somebody's posting evidence, posting what they've done, posting their commissions, and they really do support and encourage each other in here. And the wonderful thing about this Facebook group is that Robby is every day, literally, he's in there answering questions, just interacting, just helping out his students. So you don't feel like, oh, he just sold you the course and left you to get on with it. He's really hands-on. And I think that's one thing that really stuck out for me with this, how involved Robby is in the Facebook group, and how available he makes himself to support his students. So let's just go over what you get in this course. You get the complete Commission Hero system with all the modules and tutorials that I went over, that long list of tutorials. You get complete access to the Commission Hero coaching group, complete done-for-you landing pages. These are all prepared, given to you so that you know what works and you can just get on with it. You don't have to go out there sort of testing, spending money on testing to see which images, which ads convert. These are given to you. Then you have $1 million ad images. Again, like I said, you don't have to start testing things from scratch for yourself. Robby's handing these to you, successful images. Then you have my complete Facebook Super Profits training system. Then with that, you have all these bonuses, exclusive training with Robby, $1 million offer Rolodex of contacts. So these are obviously people that Robby has built up rapport and friendship or whatever with, because he's been in the business for a while. So this will help you to get better commissions, and also give you access to products you may not have been able to promote. Then there's ad account training, Snapchat training model, like I said. Then he gives these extra bonuses for those that act quickly. This is 10K a month email module, the 100K done for you campaign, and the Facebook Insider module. Robby knows somebody inside Facebook, which can help you to keep your your accounts from being shut down. That or also help if you have problems, issues, if your account does get shut down, which does happen with Facebook sometimes for no apparent reason. So Robby has a Facebook Insider, and to give you tips and direction on how to keep your accounts open. Okay, let's just have a quick look inside one of the modules, module 2, creating your images. So he shows you the image is the most important part of your system. So Robby will show you who he uses to design all of his $1 million images that cost him $5. Robby will show you how to know right away which images will be working and which ones won't, so you save a ton of time and frustration. He will show you how to turn images into videos for even higher click-throughs on your ads. In module 3, setting up your landing pages, Robby will show you exactly what you have to have in your landing pages so it is Facebook compliant and converts very well. You will learn how to create article landers and quiz landers that essentially force the viewer to purchase. That's quite a claim. You find out. You learn how to get split test variations that will get you even higher conversions and scales and sales. Another module, module 4, Facebook profit training. He's included easy to follow Facebook ad tutorials to take the guesswork out of running ads. You learn the right way to set up your ads so that you get profitable fast. Robby will show you what to look for, and when you find your winning ad, how to scale it up for super profits. How much does this course cost? The complete Commission Hero system, complete access to the Commission Hero coaching group, complete done for you landing pages, $1 million ad images, and Robby's complete Facebook super profits training system. The course is one payment of $997, and Robby also has an option of 2 times, I think it's $597. I've left that out somewhere, but there's an option to pay in 2 installations, half and then the other half in 30 days time. So what's my verdict of Commission Hero, this Commission Hero course? Well, I think it's very well taught. I think it's jammed full of information, jammed full of tutorials, jammed full of advice. There's plenty of support, so you're not going to feel like you're on your own. And you don't feel sort of like with some courses, you kind of feel, okay, I've learned all this, but you kind of still feel a little bit in the dark. You know, you've learned all of this, but when it comes to applying it, you're still a little bit unsure of yourself. But in this course, you kind of handed everything on a plate. So all you have to do really is just get on with it, just go apply. The only thing is you have to make sure that you have the budgets, because with this course, you're going to need to have a budget for doing your ads. So Robby recommends you start from $20 to $30 per day. And you have to also remember you need money for your ClickFunnels, which can be roughly sort of $90 something per month, but they are cheaper alternatives to ClickFunnels. And also, if you're going to be doing emailing, you factor in your autoresponder, which would be about $15 to $20 per month. So just, bear that all in mind when you're kind of working the budgets. So with this system, does it work? I think there's plenty of evidence to show that it works. And it's just that you have to be prepared to put in the work. Nothing's going to fall in your lap until you put in the work, make the efforts. You have to read, you have to learn the tutorials, you have to learn everything. So it will work. Obviously, nobody's going to make any guarantees, but it's been shown to work. There's plenty of evidence out there. So once somebody's ready to put their head down, within 30 days, if you're an absolute beginner, Robby says 6 weeks. If you've had any experience with Facebook at all before, you can be up and running in just a few weeks. So the course, in my opinion, is very well taught. The fact that you're given all these landing pages, you're given all the blueprint, you're given the actual sort of ad copy, you're given the landing pages that have worked. You can really be up and running in as little as a time is really up to you, but just in a few weeks and you can be up and running. So, I love the Facebook group, very supportive, very, very active group. I love the fact that there's so much interaction, there's so much support from Robby. He's available, he has dedicated staff who deal with questions and answers. You're definitely not left on your own. So I think it's worth the course price. I think it's worth it. Um, the drawback I find is that because the course is more targeted on Facebook, it's a very Facebook specific course. So if you're trying to have it's very good for, once you get everything up and running, it's very good for cash flow. It's very good. It's good in that sense. You can get quick results. And I do like that. But if you're thinking long term, you're going to need really to diversify. You're going to have to look at other sources of traffic. There's so many different ways of getting traffic. You have SEO, blogging, YouTube, Bing, pay per click. There's so many different ones. So you find what suits you. There's Pinterest. But just in order to not have all your eggs in one basket, later on down the line, you have to diversify if you're thinking long term. So that's the only drawback I find. But apart from that, obviously this course, it works. I'll be doing an update very soon with my results. I'll have internet back up and running very soon, hopefully. So in my opinion, it's a worthwhile course. It's not a cheap course, but there's a lot of information. There's a lot of good quality teaching in there. And most importantly, you're handed the materials that work. You don't have that headache, that unsureness of testing and not really knowing exactly what it is that will work and not work. You don't have to waste all that time and money testing, especially when you're not experienced in that area of marketing. So it's very good in that sense. You're handed what works and you just get on with it. So in my opinion, it's a worthwhile course. I think it's not a cheap course, but it's worth it. So that's it. Hopefully you got some good insight into the course to help you weigh out, whether it's something worthwhile checking out. So hopefully you got good value out of this video. If you did, please do give me a like, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment for me. Please do subscribe and look out for my update. I'll be posting my own results very soon. Thanks very much. See you in the next video. Bye.